So this question pretty immediately looks like it's going to be a plug in your own number question. So I say that and I say that it looks like that immediately because the answer choices have variables. We don't always see this. So it really stands out to me. Hopefully it starts to stand out to you as well. So when you see variables in the answer choices, think, this strategy of plugging in your own number may be of use. So let's go through it and first of all, let's see if I'm right about the strategy. Let's read the question and let's see what we do need to do. So question 46 says, if A is less than B, then the absolute value A minus B is equivalent to which of the following? So what I like to do here is say, okay, if you're telling me A is less than B, I'm going to say A is 2 because I like to use that number, right? So I don't suggest you ever use -1, 0, or 1 when you're plugging in your own number. So don't use those values. So I'm going to say A is 2, and then I'm going to say B is, let's make it 5. So these are my own numbers, but they reflect the fact that the question did tell me A needs to be less than B. All right, so then, right, when I do A minus B absolute value, that means I really have 2 minus 5, which is -3, which is actually +3. So here is the solution that I'm looking for when I plug in my numbers into the question, into the answer choices. So choice F, when I plug my numbers in, choice F says A plus B, which would give me 2 plus 5, which is not equal to 3. That's how I look at it, okay? Right, because again, I'm trying to match this 3 that I got from plugging in my numbers into the question. So F is not right. G, I have -2 plus 5, which is also not equal to 3, right? That would be -7, so G is gone. For choice H, I have the square root of 2 minus 5, so that's also not equal to a +3. That'd be equal to the square root of -3, so H is gone. For choice J, I have A minus B, which is 2 minus 5, which is also not equal to +3, right? I get -3 for choice J. So J is gone. And then lastly, I have choice K, which is -2 minus 5, which is equal to 3, right? So I have negative, and then 2 minus 5 is -3, and negative times -3 is +3. Therefore, choice K is the correct answer. So that's how we use plug in your own number. Hopefully that made a lot of sense.